For any aspiring attorney, I'll say while in school, take advantage of any clinics that might be out there and volunteer opportunities to shadow in court, to do motion practices, anything. I know in the state of Illinois we have what is called a 7-Eleven in the license. It might be the same in Baton Rouge, or across Louisiana or any state, but it's a license that allows you as a second year, as long as you finish first year of law school, you can go under a licensed attorney, any supervision of a court in different roles, to actually go in and appear in court before a judge and make arguments, as long as you're under the supervision of a licensed attorney. And so that can get your feet wet prior to enter into the real world and getting that license, to see if there's something you really want to do, because there's a thing called litigators, which I do, actually argue and go into court, versus transactional lawyers who just pretty much, we like to call it push papers, but they pretty much fill out forms, templates, and different things like that, and negotiate contracts or different things like that. That's where your trademark attorneys come in, your copyright. They do more so paperwork and make sure that your rights are protected versus going into court and actually litigate. So you want to see, can you get over those nerves? We are going to have nerves. I have colleagues that tell me they 50 years in the game, they still get nervous going before a judge. But is it something that you really want to do, or do you want to try to consider some other kind of part of the law? Also, just to get your feet wet and get the experience while you can, and build that resume, so that when it's time to apply for different jobs, clerkships, and different things, that you have something on your resume.